Hello everyone and welcome to the Sincere Lifestyle. What are we doing today?
We are doing a quick summer ready bod workout.
Yes, and we're going to hit all the areas.
Yes.
The peach,
Yes.
the abs, the arms, and the legs.
So get ready.
Let's go.
Alright guys, we are on the mat today and this whole exercise is going to be on the mat.
Yes, and today we're using the weights, okay, for this exercise, this first exercise. It's going to be the single leg crunch, and we're working the core, our abs, so we're going to strengthen the core and also flatten the abs. So let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. So your weights is going to be over your head, right? This leg is going to be a little bit up, and then we're going to go very slowly. So go over the ankle a little bit, crunch, and then go back.
And guys, if you don't have a weight at home, it's okay.
Right.
Just do the movements without a weight, or you can pick up the biggest textbook you can find and get it.
Yes, and this is a modified version. You could just use your hand,
There you
go
go.
over, crunch, go down, okay? This is modified.
Love it.
All right, so you ready, Cindy?
I am ready.
All right, so we're gonna do 10 on each leg. This is a quick body tone workout. Let's get it.
All right, let's get it.
Ready and go. Five. Halfway there. Okay, that's on one side. Now we're gonna just switch sides.
Okay.
There we go. There we go. And 10 on this leg.
All right.
Ready and go. Five. Halfway there.
I feel it more on this side, maybe because we just finished one side. It's interesting.
9, 10.
We did it, guys.
Yeah, high five. Woo, that wasn't so bad.
Okay, guys, so what are we doing next?
All right, so we're doing the flutter kicks with the weights high up in the air and our shoulders off the mat. But for modification, what we're going to do is, if you want to use a weight, you can just go like this, shoulders up, and flutter.
Okay. So how many we're doing?
We're doing 30, so grab your weights if you have it, grab a large textbook if you have it, and let's get ready.
Extend your arms straight up, shoulders off the mat, legs out. Let's flutter.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that's 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo!
Oh yeah.
Wow, you can really feel the burn there.
Oh yeah.
Felt good, baby, good. So we're going to our next workout. We are going to work out the peaches,
All about the glutes.
all about the glutes and the legs.
Let's go. Let's go.
This next exercise doesn't require any weights.
Nope.
What is this exercise called?
The glute bridge.
All right, so what are we doing?
So we're gonna get flat on the ground. Put your hands, down a little bit outside of the mat right here, like it's touching the edge. And then just get into a standard glute bridge. Get into a standard bridge. And then extend one leg out. So your head's on the mat, your shoulders are on the mat, but your entire bottom body is off the mat. And then we're just gonna dip down, dip down, don't touch the mat though, and then up. down, up. Make sure you're squeezing that glute on the way up.
We're gonna do 15 on each side.
All right, so that's 5 here. 6, 7, 8, feel it.
9, 10,
5 more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job,
Alright.
guys. Next
Wow.
side. All right, extend, glute, and let's go. Five more. Five, all right. Next up, we're staying on the mat, but we're just turning around. Let's get it.
So we're gonna start off with donkey kicks, and your arms are gonna be directly underneath your shoulder, and your legs are directly underneath your hips, and it's hip width distance apart. And so the movement basically is going up. So we're kicking up, and then we're just putting it down, but we're hovering, so you don't touch the mat on your way down, okay? And try to extend the legs as much as possible. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are we doing?
6. We're gonna go to 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, guys.
Now you'll notice Karen has her weights on her legs. That's optional. You can do that if you want. We're gonna do the other side. The challenge is keeping your arms straight the whole time because your body's gonna want to curve, okay? Just to compensate for all the glute work. So let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
5 more.
All right, guys, it's not over. So we're moving on to the next exercise. Stay in this position, guys. So we're gonna do 2 things. We're gonna do a fire hydrant to the side, okay? And then we're gonna do a kick at the end, okay? Are you guys ready? All right, we're gonna do 15 on each side. So 15 on this first side. Stay in this position and get ready for the fire hydrant. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. Well, this is 1. 2. Make sure you're squeezing that glute on the way up.
Keep those arms straight. Halfway there.
10.
5 more. You got this. 1 more. Yes. All right.
Oh, that felt good. Felt good, huh? Next side. All right. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Stay strong, guys. You got this. That's 5. Halfway there, guys. Almost there. One more. Woo!
All right, we did it. Quick and easy workout.
Yes,
Working the
guys.
entire body.
And so thank you so much for joining us. I hope this was quick and effective like we felt it. And we will see you next time.
Bye.